How to quickly record a voice memo with one tap recording on the iPhone 16 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now first, I'm going to stop this recording for now. Okay, so we're going to stop the recording. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top corner on the right hand side to open up the control center. In here, tap on the add button at the top. Then we go down and tap on add a control. Next, scroll down to voice memo section and then tap on voice memo. This will allow you to add in the shortcut to the control center, and then after that swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now whenever you want to quickly record a voice memo, you can swipe down and then tap on the shortcut, just one tap, and the phone will immediately start to record. And that's it. Very quickly and easily to start recording a voice memo without the hassle of going through to open up the apps and then start the recording. So simply just swipe down and tap on that to quickly start the recording or stop the recording. And from there, you can go into the voice memo apps to listen to your recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.